Okay. Ah, yes. Community to me is connection. So connecting people, trying to work towards something bigger than ourselves.
I think it's important to be a part of the community to help and look out for anyone who pretty much needs help, and just being around people to help each other.
So this day is already shaping up to be one of my favorite memories, but over a year ago, I got to come into the school and help with design thinking.
It was teaching us about the software, teaching us about what they do and how they do it. And they just seem like very, very fun. Like they just seem like they love their job. I feel like I will miss out more about not learning about resources and softwares and stuff like that, because once the Appian people came, it made me want to learn about engineering and stuff like that, and possibly become into engineering.
Thinking beyond what you might know, understanding how you might explore, how you might build skill sets so that you can walk into any room and feel like you belong. That's huge, and it's wonderful to be a part of.